Look at how ungrateful my husband. And he's saying I made saltfish and ackee. Yes, there's a lot of saltfish. I could have bought another tin of ackee or something, but you're lucky you get Christmas breakfast this morning, okay? Good. I forgot the gift. Come get it now. Trick yeah! Just tea. The excitement of Christmas is definitely like no other, but the cleanup is what is like overwhelming me right now, and I'm like, bro, I need a nap. When you're picking a partner, one of the number one things I can tell people to do is to find someone that listens, someone that is listening to what you're saying, listening to your wants and needs. And I've always said this about my husband. When I think he's not paying attention, he's always paying attention. I've been looking for these for months. Stainless steel bowls that I can season meat and marinate overnight. Oh, he got that at Sam's Club. This right here, I was like, my guy, you're paying attention to me. You know that I needed this, and it's been driving me insane to the point that I completely forgot about it because I was like, yo, I can't keep looking for this. So the fact that he listened to that, remembered that, and then purchased this, yeah, that's my guy. And then he bought me my knife set. You guys remember this knife set? I'm very happy with that because we do have a great knife set. Another J. Henkel's. Oh, this is what I was saying. This one, if you can see, it cracked. And I don't wash them in the dishwasher or anything like that, but the actual forging is still intact, but the handle chipped. So I need a new knife set. That was like established. But to see one that I was like, really like, wow, you found this? I like it. Buy it. And then he was like, I'm not buying it. And he did. I was like, yeah, good job. Thanks for keeping the secret. But I really appreciated this. These parts of my gifts. There were other gifts that he bought that meant a lot to me. But, you know, these two in particular, I was like, you're listening. Find you somebody that listens. Okay? That's life goal. That's relationship goal. Somebody that listens to you and, you know, pays attention to what your wants and needs are. So that's my guy. Merry Christmas from the Maddens. I hope you guys had a great holiday filled with love.
With the people that you enjoy. Comment below what you guys got in your Christmas haul.
Yeah, thank you guys for tuning in.